In this video, I'll show you how to link your Bitget account to Google Authenticator for extra security on the mobile app. First, install Google Authenticator from the App Store or Google Play. Then open it so it's ready. Now open the Bitget app and log in. Tap your profile icon in the top corner, then go to Security Center or Security. Look for Google Authenticator, Authenticator app, or 2FA, and tap Bind or Enable. Bitget will ask you to confirm it's really you. Enter your login password and complete the email or SMS code if it prompts you. After that, Bitget will show a QR code and a backup key. Screenshot is not recommended. Write the backup key down and keep it safe. Next, open Google Authenticator, tap the plus, choose Scan a QR code, and scan the Bitget QR. You'll get a 6-digit code that refreshes every few seconds. Go back to Bitget, enter that 6-digit code, tap Confirm, and you're done. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.